everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a last haul of 2020, and this is collective haul between Dollar Tree and 99-cent store only. And basically it was a few trips that I made between these two stores. So let's go ahead and start off. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with Dollar Tree for now, and let me go ahead and show you what I found. I found these cute little boxes. They have Velcro, and then basically you could stuff it, and mostly what I did try to get was Valentine's, because Valentine's is coming, and of course I have a swap and I want to send some Happy Mail, so I got these. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this one in here, and these each were 99 cents only, or 99 cents. And then I also got these cute little socks. So I saw, oh my goodness, who was it? Mommy and her 4 little ladies out here on YouTube. She did a cute French fry box, and she put these in there, and they look so cute. So I'm gonna try to copy that if I have a chance. So I found these. I found these cute little hearts with the little hearts in the middle, and these instead of 5 you get 8. So awesome find. I found more socks, and aren't these so cute? These are kitty cats with a envelope there. And then I also found these lop socks. Slot. Sorry you guys, you know me. Anyways, and I also found these. Ooh, yay. So happy to have found these. These are the fillers. And let's see, what else did I find? I got this one here, and this one has a truck. So how cute. So anyways, for this one I went ahead and also found these ribbons. Oh my goodness. So my sister went to Dollar Tree and she took pictures of what she found there, and of course I had to go. Once I got a chance, I went running, and luckily there was some left, so I got these and the heart ones, and I thought they were so cute. And then I also found these, you guys. I finally found some. They had actually just put everything out, so I was lucky enough to find these. So I am so excited. Can't wait to work with them. So I got these right here, and then I got another box of these. So I got a few boxes, okay? So I will show you that. I found these right here. Oh my goodness, those are so cute, and I love these. Oh my goodness, I got the white, the red, and the pink. If I find them. Oh, here they are. Here you go, and the pink one. And then I also found these, so I figured I needed some of these, the spray bottle, so I could put my alcohol, and whenever I go shopping again, I have a spray bottle and I could just spray my hands with it. And let me go ahead and move this onto the side. And then I found some envelopes. I needed some of these large envelopes, and they have the self-sealing. So what I like about these is that you don't have to lick or anything. Usually when I did my other envelopes, I had to get a wet cloth and put water there, or actually I ended up also using the tacky glue right here, so that way my lips did not touch the envelope at all. And then I also found this cute heart. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness, this is like pretty big. This is like a good 10 inches in length, so that's awesome. And then let me see, what else did I find? So this is a, wow, this is a haul, right? So I found these. I had seen, I believe, Wandy from Wandy Sweets get the one that has 2-piece, and they're a little bit bigger. I did not have luck finding those, but I did find these, so I'm okay with that. I also found these hearts, these wooden hearts, so awesome to find. I found me this pointing finger. Yay! So excited to have finally found a pointing finger. And then I found me these right here, and these are fabrics, and this one has bunnies, and this one has campers, like I believe it. No, it's the van. Is it the van? Oh my goodness. So let me go ahead and open it so I can show you guys. Oh, there you go. Oh my goodness, I love this. This is so cute. I love that. And then I also found these I found this one and these right here. Awesome. They had just put these out, so I had found that one and this one and this one right here. So awesome. So happy to find that. And then lastly, I found these. I thought these were so cute. Good for a Happy Mail. I found these stickers, and these are repeated stickers, the same thing. But aren't these so cute? You could actually use these for birthday all occasion. Doesn't have to be Valentine's, as well as this one. But I thought this was so cute. I wish I could have gotten more. I only got 2, so that's okay. I won't be going back to Dollar Tree for a while, so this should be enough to hold me down for Valentine's. So that is it for this haul. Let me empty. I have repeats on some of the items. So, oh, and I also found this cute slot. Is that's what it's called? I hope you guys could see it. This cute little bag. Isn't that cute? I wanna hang. So that is so cute. I found this bag and I had to have it. It's not like I needed another bag, but I thought it was so darn cute. So there you go. And then this might be a lengthy video, so I'm gonna put everything down. Okay, you guys, I had to clear my desk. I do want to apologize if you guys hear a background noise. That is my dryer. I am doing laundry because, of course, I am doing laundry. So anyway, so I found these baskets. These are pretty big baskets, and this is a haul from 99-cent store only, and now their prices are starting to go up. They've been going up for a few years already. This was $2.99, and I like it because it is actually sturdy, and it is like, let me see, it is a 12 by let me see, the depth on it is about 8.5, so it's an awesome basket to have. You can put your craft stuffs in here if you want to, your paper. Oh my gosh, the possibilities for these are endless. And I got gray. I should have gotten more, but I was low on money at that point, so I got that basket, this basket. I got a few baskets. So I found these. I thought these were so cute. I had previously found some at Dollar Tree last year. I think these are also so cute because you could put them in the middle of your rosettes. You could do so much with these. And look at this. I had just noticed it has a gnome in there. Oh my goodness. So I got that. And then I also got these felt hearts, and I thought these were so cute. And I was fortunate enough to find some confetti. Look at you guys. Oh my gosh, it has a lot. So excited. I was looking for the iridescent hearts. I got those about 2 years ago. Haven't seen them since. So that's okay. More of the confetti and the felt hearts. And then I also found these. I thought these were so cute. I fell in love with these right here. And look at the hearts. Oh my goodness. So these are stickers, and OMG, can't wait to work with them. So I got 2 of those. And then you guys, look at what I found. I found this. This is a basically organizer for your pens, your let me see, pencils, scissors. But as you guys know, us crafters can use this for multiple things. I got me 2. They only had 2. They had a white one and a black one. I'm already starting using the black one, and I will be placing this somewhere else around my house. Still got to figure out where. But anyway, so yeah. And then let me see, I also found these, you guys. OMG, I was so excited to find these. I could not believe when I saw these. So I found purple. Oh my gosh, this is like the hardest color to find from that I can think of. So how cute. I got me a few. I think I got me 2 of those. I found me these confettis. So these are $1.99, and it has 4, but it has confetti, it has stars, and it has the circles. So awesome to have. So awesome to have for Happy Mail if you want to put the confetti there. Yay. So I got me a few of those. And you guys, I do not know what happened to me, but I got into a straw bench of purchasing. So this is what I got. And don't ask me why I was in the mood to buy straws. I usually don't use them, but I thought these were so cute. this is one of my favorite colors, and I thought this was so darn cute. And then I got this one, and this is more like a party straw, and I thought that was so cute. And then I got me this one, and this one actually has party and it has the unicorn. So oh my goodness, so I had to have this one. And yeah, oh, I thought I had more. Oh my goodness, thank God I just got those. And then I found me more stickers. Yay, so awesome. So I do have some ladies that are Disney lovers, so I will be sending some out to them. And basically that is it. Oh my goodness, I thought I had more. Anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. We'll see you guys on our next video. And that was it for my last haul. Oh, wait. I do want to mention, I have found this. Isn't this cute? I found this at Walmart. It was the after Christmas markdowns, and this was $2.50, and it has the bath bombs, and it has the sponge in there. So for $2.50, did not think that was wrong. I bought some for my kids. And then Walmart also, just wanted to show you guys my Walmart, or the one at my mom's, had Lysol, and this was for about $5. I heard the Lysol is pretty expensive. I think my sister said at one of the other stores that was not Walmart was like $7, $8. So wow. Anyway, so I was like super excited to find some. Yeah, my mom's stores around her area, neighborhood, I had a lot of more items, a lot of TP, a lot of paper towels, a lot of wipes. So I was super excited. Anyways, again, sorry for you guys for my tangent. So anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. We'll see you guys on our next video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, we'd love to have you on board. And it doesn't hurt to subscribe. So anyways, thank you so much.